So we are first trying to open up the other accessories like the grab rail and the top rack, the saddle stay.
Heavy type.
Let's see if you have to open this whole thing or opening it partially will allow us to install this component into the bike, which is usually present at the very back side of the bike, even behind the pillion seat under this part. So my brother Shantipriyo is having time with these bolts. This is the flasher module packaging. It has the harnesses, and the main module. So we are almost there after opening up. So here we need to match the color coding of these sockets given with those of this module. So we have to do some small research on which ones to connect with whom. Because there are two green terminals and one white. Here we have one green terminal and we have two grey terminals over here. Okay.
The black and green. সঙ্গে যাচ্ছে কালার অনেকটাই ম্যাচ।
Yeah, the colors are matching. We are connecting the male and female ports.
অন করছি, অন করছি।
Let's try our luck. Yeah, it's activated. Activated with right, left, right and center keys. Right, center. So the next pattern appears on right and center toggling.
না এই তো ওইটাই হবে। কি করে ভাই?
Right, left, center, right.
রাইট
তাড়াতাড়ি করতে হবে, ফাস্ট। এই তো started. So this is functioning properly with this arrangement. Okay, so we have to put this inside this part within this placeholder. So it all went inside very smoothly with the expert hands of my brother Shantipriyo. We are able to put it inside. The entire module went into this place. Okay, so the arrangements given in this Adventure 390 is nice. I mean, there is still place for an ECU to be placed here, I believe so, which we can later plan on. But anyway, my brother is insisting that I get one very soon, but I am reluctant because the bike performance is already top notch. It's 1.5 years and I have ridden almost 11,000 kilometers, which is still less, but yeah, I'm making some time in the weekends to have some short rides. And you should also watch my other travel videos which I have posted on this channel. So all the hard work is been done by this guy. Okay. Installed. So this is the best pattern which I have come across because it engages the tail lamps also. It's looking very nice. Now the look of the bike is enhanced. If the lock is performing all right, কাট করে আওয়াজ আসছে। It's in place. Our bike is completely refitted with the saddle stay and the top rack. So we have to try our level best to refit those bolts, and let's try to activate the indicators one more time, the hazard. So the code is right, left, right and center. So it has started blinking. So we are all done. This is how it looks at the front. So closing the video at this note. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe.